So today on Cupcake Girls, the reason you're not seeing our faces is because we are going to be doing slime today.
DIY.
So we got Emily got this like kit for DIY fluffy slime, and we're going to see if it works. Now, if it does work, we are going to be leaving a link if we find one, or like a picture, like a link to a picture of what we got. So yeah, the ingredients, and also Emily's gonna do it first. I have to go take a shower.
So pretty much it brings two of these, a blue tap and a purple tap.
I'm using a purple tap, so like this thing, I'll just show you guys.
Then it brings two of these, of this contact solution, one green that I'm gonna be using and another blue one.
Then it brings also this fluffy slime thing. It's like the main thing. It like makes it fluffy. It's like the foam.
Then it brings this cute little spoon so you don't have to ruin one of yours or buy a plastic one.
And it brings this fluffy slime. I don't know what this is, like a container thing.
But we can't open it.
Yeah, we're just gonna like try and see what this is for. And we also have this plate to mix stuff.
So I can't. Let's see if this actually works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna be.
Yeah, because she spent a lot of money on this. So we have the instructions right here. So she's going to be reading them while she does it, and then I'm going to be doing mine on my own channel, just because I feel like with Emily's, it's gonna take up most of the time.
Yeah.
So, and it'll be the same process.
Yeah. So I've actually found out what this is for
it's
step
a container.
8. Yeah, it's a container, and there's a little sticker that goes here, but it's also stiff.
It's also like stuck to the
thing. I don't know why they put it there.
Oh no, it's gonna come out.
Okay, so yeah. So let's start. So I like whenever you said Okay, so I made it a little bit weird. So I'm just gonna open this. Right here, I actually found out how to like. It's just this like white little thing. You have to like try to take it out. It was kind of hard. Ooh, okay. So this is just normal glue. It's just clear glue. They just put it in this cute little container. I'm gonna move. Okay, wait. I should probably stop it. If you hear a noise in the background, it's because my mom's cooking. My dad and my sister. Not Lydia, my other sister. So is this? Oh yeah, I'm trying to fix it. Okay, yeah. I'm not gonna do it like this. Sorry guys, it's just I'm so excited to do this. You're probably just like you're being a noob. Like a noob. Oh no! Oh, that looks satisfying. Oh my god, that like almost took up all the container. Like all of them. I'm not gonna waste any of this because it cost $10 because it was $9.99. I never used to know what 99 stands for. So now I know 99 is like one number away. Okay, this is probably going to be in fast mode. I think that is it. If there's more to add, I'm just going to like leave it down like this. Just in case if there's like a lot more. Okay, so next, step 3 is add 10 pumps of foam. Here, a foam from the container into the mixing bowl. So, what? Oh, this is actually. Oh my god! This is like. Oh, it's closed. 1. Ooh, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Damn, that took a lot of it. Just because. Okay, 11. I'm just gonna add 11. But yeah, you can actually hear it. Okay, anyways, step 4 is use your mixing spoon to stir until you see foaming. Keep mixing fast until you get foamy. I can't say that word. But, ooh, this is so fun. You can actually see it forming even though I haven't added the contact solution right here. This is so hard. This is like bad, like, thing. I think it's the foaming thing. I wonder if there's still more of that. Well, not a lot, but. Ooh. I don't think a lot more is going to come out. I think that's how much I can already. That's probably the fault. It said to stir fast, so I will stir fast. But for you guys, it's gonna be like, oh, did you see that? This is so fun. I've never done slime before, and like listening to like the steps. I think the reason why they put so much is because if you want to make like other slime, you could like do it because like you don't need to like get a new slime kit, and it's all your $10. I think this is ready. Yeah, this is super ready. Okay, step 5 is add the contact solution in 2 or 3 drops. Increments while stirring. Mix until thick. Okay, so I will only add, well, this looks like an eyedropper. Okay, I'm only gonna add 2 to 3. I think that's pretty much saying only add 2 at first, and like if you still need it, add 3. Just add 1 more. Yeah, I think I'm only gonna need like 2, maybe just 1. I'll add 2 just because it's saying to add 2, not like 1, 2, 3. So, oh, this thing just fell in. Oh my god. Guys, oh my god, help me. It's gonna ruin all my slime because it's gonna take so much away from it. No. Oh my god, this texture is so weird. You know, you're probably just like, okay, so if you've already done slime, my friends are probably gonna watch them and they're just like, oh my god. And they're just gonna be like, oh, that's a weird texture. It's slime. It's just glue, so doing this is gonna take it out, right? Oh no, because, you know what? I'm just gonna do this, because it doesn't matter, it's fine. 1, 2. Okay, just added 2. Oh yeah, it's definitely forming. Well, it's a lot better without, like, the contact solution. Oh no, this is a lot more better. Okay, oh my god. I think I'm just gonna add 1 more. You're probably just like, what were you saying about I think? Like, I actually like, okay, I think this is actually thick. I'm scared. I don't want to touch it. So, before touching, I'm just gonna put my sleeves up. Always do that. I think I'm supposed to do that for the first step. No, when it went up to like the step number 5. Oh, okay, yeah. I'm gonna go in with my hands. Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh my god, no, I'm not. Or if you were just like, the people that knew how to do this are just like, you were not supposed to go in with your hands yet. Like, oh no, this isn't ready. If you guys think it is to like go in with your hands, yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my hand. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna add 1 more, 2 more. So I'm just gonna do this and then come back to you when I am done. So guys, I can't believe finally ready. And of course it didn't come with food dye, so I just used my Sharpies. There's another. So this is the final result. I'm very, very happy to say that the scores for the what was it called again? For this, it's not 10. I put like 21. So the final result was pretty good, but the only thing that I don't like was this, because it completely lied. It said to put 10 squirts. It wouldn't even put like little drops. It was like and I like put like 21, and that's when it finally worked. It just lied. And like the little container where it like goes in, right? I'm gonna try to find it. So this little container, how is it supposed to hold this entire thing? You don't even fit the screen. I've tried to put it in there. All it does, it makes fart noises. Like, look. Ew. And I've been putting it little by little. Like, for example, right, like, look, it only does fart noises. And it won't even, like, dare to go in. It just makes fart noises and bubbles. Yeah, I've tried And if you guys have been able to like put it in, please comment down below because I need help to how to get this entire thing in this little container.
Okay, say goodbye.
It just makes fart noises. Yeah, this result really came true. While I was doing it, I was just like, it never ends up working, and well, it ended up working. But yeah, and I still have a lot of more of that, you know, soapy thing to make this actually work. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and enjoyed my experience. If you guys have had a better experience, please comment down below your experience. So, bye!
Say it all over again, because I let them go.
Okay. Yeah.
It's not my fault. You couldn't do it either. So. Emily is right next to you. You're literally past.
Oh, sorry. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's sticking! I can't get it out! Because
Oh, sorry.
this is why I don't believe
Hurry the
in
fuck
this.
up.
So, bye!
Go.